Well, new at 9, a software glitch is being blamed for everyone in Greene County hearing storm sirens instead of just people under a tornado warning last night. Now, technology allows warnings to be issued and sirens sounded for specific areas or polygons in the path of a storm, and people outside the affected spots won't get the alert. But last night, a tornado warning was issued for the northern part of Greene. But emergency management, which controls the siren, says its computer for the alert system failed to narrow down that warning area, and that led to sirens being activated for all of the county and the city of Springfield. OEM says it understands everyone's concerns and it's working with the software company to try and fix that problem.